In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to delete your saved playlist on YouTube. Not the playlist that you've created with your videos, but other public playlists that you've saved. So here on desktop, the first thing you want to do is go to your YouTube channel, or just open up the sidebar by clicking on these three lines over here. And you'll see an option here under You that says Playlist. Click onto that, and it will bring up all of your playlists. These are playlists that you've created as well as your saved ones. But if we go here and click on Saved here at the top where we can filter them out, you'll see here is the only saved playlist that I have. The easiest way to unsave or remove it is to just click into that playlist, as you see I've done here. And then once you've done that, on the right-hand side, you'll see the playlist and all of the videos within that playlist. Go ahead and just click on the three vertical dots right here in this little title area, and then just go to the Remove Playlist from Library. If they're playlists that you've created, they're added to your channel. And if that's the case, you can delete them permanently. But these playlists, you can only remove them from your library on your channels. So just click that button here that says Remove Playlist from Library. Over on your mobile device, if you want to do this, open up the YouTube app as I've done here. Tap on the U icon in the lower right-hand corner. Go to your channel information or account information page. Once you're here, just tap into Playlist as I've done here. And then you want to go up to where you see the options at the top and then scroll to the right until you see Saved, and then go ahead and go into Saved. And then what you want to do is just tap into the playlist like I've done here, and then you'll see the bookmark icon that's highlighted white. If we tap into that there, that will unsave that from our library. So again, it's that little bookmark icon that will remove it from your public library on your channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I'll have some frequently asked questions down below as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.